We have a new update for you guys. We're at Hollywood Studios. This is a new Skyliner Gondola area. And the wall's been moved back so we can get a better shot of the construction going on. As you can see, this green wall right there was clear out here. And another video I have up. You can see they're still working on this. That is going over to the hotels over on the other side, you can see. You can actually go online, Google the Skyliner Gondola map, and it'll show you where this is going. Epcot, Hollywood, of course, Caribbean Beach Resort, Pop Century, Art of Animation. We'll be coming back here in the next couple of days to keep you guys updated on the new construction and how they're going. Way down there is the bus lines, all in brand new buildings and everything. So everybody gets off a bus and will come through that way now instead of down in this area. Let's take a look at what's going on. This is all new right here. This has changed. There was a wall here a couple of days ago when we were here. I have another video of this earlier. You might want to go back and take a look at that. But now we're getting up close. We've gotten closer now because they took this wall down. But now we're right up on top of it, which is going to be very cool to see. You can see here they're still working on the platform. This would be the exit and the entryway. Sorry about that. It's cool, they're playing Christmas music.
We don't have to ride the bus.